Hello, everybody, and welcome. You know, there's this phenomenon going on right now called the Great Exhaustion. And I know that you guys know what I'm talking about. It's this feeling of just being tired all the time, tired of trying to make your ends meet, tired of putting in all of this time. It's like the days go by so quickly anymore. It's like time just slips away. You know, months become weeks, and before you know it, a whole 6 months has gone by. My point in saying this is one of the things that has to do with us feeling so tired these days. Now, what we have to do so that we are not depleted is we have to slow down at some point, just a little bit, for ourselves, for our mental health, for our spiritual health, for our physical health. That's what I'm doing right this minute. And I wanted to share this moment with you because it's so gorgeous today. It's such a beautiful, beautiful day. And I was thinking how much I used to love as a child to lay on the ground on a beautiful day like this and watch the clouds go by, watch them cross through the trees. And it's like I can do that as an adult too and still get that same amazing feeling of being free, of just, enjoying life and not having that adult feeling. You can get back to that feeling of just that childlike wonder, that we all had when we were younger. And if we don't stop and take these moments for ourselves, we become very, very exhausted and tired. Nature is one of the best ways to do this. Nature, and look at all that beautiful sky and trees, but nature, and not so much internet and screen time and computers and working ourselves to try to make ends meet in these tougher times. On paper it looks one way because you may be making more money, but a lot has changed in the way of inflation and things like that. So it's like that becomes very exhausting in itself, that you feel like you're working twice as hard. So it's even more important to take these moments to refuel, to replenish, to just, be with yourself. You'd be amazed at what this does for your health. You would be absolutely amazed. And I'll bet some of you have not even been outside in a long time and just allowed the sunshine to come down on your face and the wind to blow through your hair and to notice the colors in the trees and the sky. And that's a shame. That's a shame that we've gotten so far away from Mother Earth and what is so beautiful, this planet, because it heals. It heals us to be out like this in this environment. And so the Great Exhaustion, I don't want to live my life so tired that I never stopped. I don't want to look back on my life and say, Becca, you never stopped to appreciate that. You kept grinding and grinding and grinding. You would not put your phone down. You wouldn't get off your computer because you were chasing the dream. Well, what is the dream anyway, guys? What is it? Is it material things? No, it's not material things. To me, the dream, sorry for the camera there. To me, the dream is in here. This is where the dream is. This is the dream. And these are tears of joy because I know this to be so. The dream is right here inside of us when we can get in a space and place away from all of these electronics and all of these influences, that drain your energy and contribute to this great exhaustion that I'm talking about. So this is supposed to be a motivational video for you to get out and about and slow down, and no matter what your bills look like and no matter what your bank account looks like right now, get out and be still and get to yourself and commune with nature and the planet and God. It's so much easier to connect when you're out in this glory. So do that for yourself. Do that for yourself and for your health. And it will also give you clarity on how to move forward and what to do when you go back into the more tense environments of your daily living. Don't forget to do this, y'all. It is so healing and amazing. I love each one of you so much. You know this. I appreciate you for supporting my page and what I stand for. And I'm going to catch you on that next video. You know that. Thanks.